At the mining site, road maintenance is a critical part of daily operations. Here, a Hitachi PC200 excavator is working to repair and improve the haul road used by heavy-duty trucks. In this stage, the excavator carefully reshapes the road's surface, ensuring it remains level and stable. A well-maintained haul road reduces the risk of accidents and allows trucks to transport material more efficiently. As the work continues, the excavator smooths out rough sections and reinforces the path, making it safer for large trucks carrying heavy loads. This ongoing road improvement is not only essential for productivity, but also plays a key role in extending the lifespan of equipment and supporting safe mining operations.